Hey love, welcome and thanks for tapping in. It's your girl Brandy, the content queen, teaching you my content basics with essential twist for branding and business. And today we are going to find out how to animate text. All right, so here we are in my number one go-to editing platform called Canva. However, there are a number of platforms out there. You just gotta find the one that works best for you. However, the reason why I love Canva so much is because they're super user-friendly, very easy to navigate, and Canva gives you a ton of access to images, videos, and other premium content, even with just the free plan. So if you're ready to get started, then continue watching. So let's say that you have an event coming on, or maybe you're promoting a launch of your brand new store, whether it's an on-site store or an online store, whatever. You wanna create a post and you wanna get people's attention and you want it to pop a little bit. So you wanna learn how to animate your text, all right? So what you're gonna do once you've logged into your dashboard, you're gonna come up here to the right-hand corner and you're gonna you're gonna click on the Create a Design button, all right? So for right now, let's just go ahead and create a social media post, all right? Social media. Okay, so we're gonna give this bad boy a chance to load. And once he is finished loading, we can go ahead and come over here and all the way over to our left-hand side, we're gonna scroll down to text and we're gonna click on the text option. And then we're gonna come up here to add a text box and select the add a text box button. Okay, so let's make you a little bit bigger so that we can see what we are typing. And let's do let's go ahead and I'll just use Glacial Difference. This is my go-to font. Okay, so depending on what your post is, depending on what it is that you're gonna say, let's just say, you don't wanna miss this. Okay, so you're just gonna create some excitement, get some buzz going on, spreading the word with whatever it is that you're promoting. All right, so once you have your text written, you're going to highlight your text box, and then you're gonna come up here to the right-hand side of your toolbox, and you're gonna select the Animate button or the Animate option. All right, so make sure, well, obviously you're gonna be under text animations, but you have the page animations as well, but for right now, we're just focusing on the text. So as you can see, we have quite a few options. Okay, so you might want to scroll through all of them, or you might know exactly how you want your text to animate, but you can see pretty much how all of them are going to work. And then another cool thing that Canva does with the text animations is that it will give you the option of how you want the animation to look. So if you want, let me see, let's do this one because this one's, yeah. If you want it to animate for both the entrance and the exit, you can select both. If you want it to just do it on the entrance or the exit, you can select basically to your desire, and then you can even choose the direction and the speed of your animation. So it's really, really, really cool. So for right now, I'm gonna go with pop. I really like this one right now. It's a lot of fun. But pretty much once you are satisfied, go ahead and double check and see what it's gonna look like. And then once you're satisfied, you're gonna come up here to the top of the right-hand corner and you're gonna select the share button. And then you're gonna scroll down, lost it there for a second. We're gonna go scroll down to download and we're gonna select download. Now under file type, Canva is always gonna give you the best suggestion of your design, okay? So however, bonus tip, if you download it under the MP4 video or the GIF or the GIF option, file type, depending on how you pronounce it, those will both animate your text. So whether it's a video or whether it is a GIF or a GIF, the text will always animate once you show it, okay? So just letting you know. But let's just go with the best suggestion, and then you're gonna select download, and then your design will download, and that is pretty much it. Once you have your creation complete, then you can go ahead and share it and let your community know. So that is it for today. If this video has helped you at all, go ahead and click that link below, sign up with Canva today, create your design, and go ahead and animate your text now that you know how to do it. Other than that, thanks again for watching, and remember, if your content does not turn you on, you are doing it wrong. This is Brandy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.